children, today we will do phonics and rhymes book. So take out your phonics and rhymes book and take out this page. Okay. We will do this page, the long A sound. This is phonics and rhymes book. Okay. So we will read this A sound word in phonics sound. Okay. Read the words A-Y. A-Y sound A. A-Y sound A. D sound the. A-Y sound A. The A. Day. D-A-Y day. R sound R. R A. Ray. R-A-Y ray. H sound H. A. Hay. H-A-Y hay. S sound Sh. A. Say. S-A-Y say. P sound P. P sound P. P. A. Pay. P-A-Y pay. W sound W. A. A-Y sound A. So, W. A. Way. W-A-Y. Way. So, these are the A-Y sound. A-Y sound A. Next, A-I. A-I also sound A. A-Y sound A. A-I sound A. Difference is that A-Y comes at the end of each word, but A-I comes in between of the words. So we will read this one also. A-I A. R sound R. A. N sound N. R A N. Rain. R-A-I-N rain. M sound M. M-A-N main. M-A-I-N main. P sound P. A-N. P-A-N pain. P-A-I-N pain. P-A-L sound L. P-A-L pale. P-A-I-L pale. Okay. T-R. T-R sound Tr. T-R sound Tr. A-I sound A. Tr. A-N. Train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. T sound T. T. A-L. T. A-L. Tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. So, we learn these words with the phonic sounds. Okay. You try to read these words with phonic sounds. Okay. Okay. Underline the sounds in each set of words. A-Y sound A. A-I sound A. P-A. Pay. P-A-Y pay. S-A. Say. S-A-Y say. Tr-A. Tray. T-R-A-Y tray. A-I A. Tr-A-N train. T-R-A-I-N train. M-A-N main. M-A-I-N main. T-A-L tail. T-A-I-L tail. So you have to underline the sounds in each set of words. A-Y A. A-Y A. A-Y A. A-I A. A-I A. A-I A. So these are the sound of A-Y and A-I. Okay. you try to read these words with phonic sound. Okay? Thank you.